Hello everyone. This is my presentation on English language learners. My research is an overview of how English language learners are progressing in the US public schools and their methods for academic success. According to the US Department of Education, the National Center for Education Statistics and Common Core of Data, this map represents the percentage of public schools who were English language learners in the year of 2017. There are about 10 states that report the highest percentage of ELLs in their public schools. These numbers suggest that there is an increase in ELL students, which constitutes on average 10% of the total public schools enrollment. It is apparent that ELL students have grown to be part of the US student population. The Every Student Succeeds Act is a law that was enacted in holding schools accountable for how students learn and achieve. Therefore, the states must assess and develop new accountability systems that include long-term goals and measures of progress for English language learners. The data here presented by the US Department of Education National Center of Health Statistics shows how non-English learners are pacing among English language learner students in scoring the basic level or above 4th grade reading between the years of 2000 and 2017. The percentage rate among English language learner students is concerning because reading, writing, and mathematics proficiency demonstrate post-secondary readiness that can lead to more successful employment outcomes. Looking closely at this data, English language learner students are failing to progress in English proficiency and are struggling academically, which risks not meeting academic standards for college entry. The New York State Department has examined the enrollment patterns between newcomers, former English language learners, and long-term minimum level of learning. The progress from K grade through the 12th grade shows that newcomers' population is more dominant in K, 1st, and 2nd grade, and long-term English language learners increases significantly from 3rd grade through 12th grade. These results offer a strong literacy support to long-term English language learner students in middle and high school. The ELA benchmark assessments tests students on all grade level Common Core ELA standards for informational and literary text, writing, speaking, listening, and language. According to the New York State Department, this graph illustrates the ELA grade level performance from 3rd to 8th grade for the year of 2017 and 2018. There is a drop in ALA performance for former ELL students from 5th and 8th grade, which suggests that teachers are not trained enough to integrate ELL's language development into ELA assessment tests, and the lack of disciplinary design that can equip teachers to provide intensive learning structures that help ELL and former ELL in increasing their success rate. The New York State of Education has managed to implement an early warning system that help educators identify whether ELL students need additional support and examine the absenteeism and suspension data among ELL students, which can help detect if there are potential challenges that ELL students encounter and is a result of their failure and dropout rate. Technology has become an important aspect in education and its ability to offer more opportunities for students to progress. School can use this power tool to reinvent their teaching approaches and create supportive learning experiences that can help English language learners adapt and thrive. The potential for digital tools to aid students are also reflected among English language learners, where 50% claim it has made writing easier. The benefits of technology is that it builds an advanced relationship between the educators and English language learner students outside the classroom through collaboration and tutoring. Implementing learning technological resources that is aimed at ELL's level of academic proficiency provides a more supportive approach in targeting the basic skills required for academic proficiency, which in turn increases the ELL's engagement with the reading or writing disciplines where they initially lagged behind.